Let's set up pre-registration output and workflows. Click on the Output button to access the relevant output settings. Select Pre-registration QR code scanner in Output Delivery Settings. Toggle the on-off switch to enable or disable QR code pre-registration. Enter a subject line for the email to customize outgoing messages. Click on Advanced Settings to view additional configuration options. Enable Collect AI Surveys when available to gather feedback. Click on Save to apply your changes in Output Delivery Settings. Unlike other photo booth software, Pictor knows what it's like to run a photo booth business. As a result, we allow you to have mixed licenses, meaning you can have a handful of basic licenses and just a few pro and premium licenses for the event you need them for. To make this possible, we always let you know when you're using a pro or premium feature, so there are no surprises on event day. Click on Accept to confirm and continue. Go to Flow to manage and view the workflow steps. Click a plus sign button to add a workflow stage. In this case, enable QR code scanner for pre-registered users by clicking this option. Toggle the QR code scanner caret to set up settings for pre-registration. Your registration page URL is available here for preview and testing your QR code pre-registration workflow setup. This URL is also available via QR code. Pro tip: if printing materials, we recommend you using a third-party tool that will allow you to change the end point of a QR code in case you need to make any last-minute changes. Fill in the title field with QR code scanner or your preferred title. Enter an optional subtitle, such as scan your registration QR code to continue. Fill out the optional body field if you want to add custom content. Continue editing the body HTML to finalize your message or instructions. Allow attendees who haven't pre-registered to skip by clicking Allow Skip. Click Allow Skip again for flexibility in attendee registration. In your existing or flow stages you add in the future, toggle on the pre-registration, setting for it to be available in your guest's QR code pre-registration flow. You can decide on which stages appear in your QR code pre-registration flow and which will be done solely on the photo booth itself. Note that certain flow stages are not available on the pre-settings and will not have the pre-registration toggle available. Optionally, click on plus icon to add additional flow stages. For example, you can add a share output flow stage for email and SMS sharing options. Toggle on pre-registration if you'd like this flow stage to be available in pre-registration. Finally, click on Save to lock in all your workflow and output configurations.